Hello everyone, welcome to my vlogs. So to start the day I had a coffee latte and I also had some toast with blackberry jam and a little bit of butter. The jam was nice and sweet. For lunch I had some sushi. So there was a salmon and there was some with vegetables and also salmon in them as well. It came with some wasabi and some ginger. I love sushi, it's one of my favourite foods and it's also healthy. I added in the soy sauce from the little bottle. Although it is quite little, there's enough for the whole packet. Soy sauce really adds that saltiness which it needs. And then later on I made a tray bake of roasted vegetables. So this had sweet potatoes, carrots, potatoes, chili flake, and it was marinated in olive oil and just chili flakes and pepper. I didn't even need to add any salt because I wanted to keep the sweetness from the sweet potatoes. And then I also made some scampis in the air fryer and had these with some light mayonnaise. These were just some nice flowers that I received from work. They were nice and colourful. For dinner I had a salmon pastry. So inside there was a creamy sauce and salmon. And the pastry was nice and flaky. It was quite big, so I had to cut it into smaller pieces for serving size. As you can see, some of the sauces are showing. This was quite nice. The pastry was nice and buttery. The sauce was nice and creamy. And the salmon was quite meaty and it had big chunks of salmon in, so it was really nice. You can see the big chunks of salmon in there, not tuna, sorry. For dessert I had a chocolate muffin. This was quite nice and moist and it had some icing sugar on top. It was so soft. And that's it for today. Please remember to like and subscribe for more.